Well, another day we're gonna start working on this big guy right here, 2022 Tacoma. So the customer wants to lift up the vehicle, so we're gonna do the lift kit on 4 sides. Basically, the lift kit that he brought us, there is a flange going right there, and we have to take off the whole assembly of the strut. So take off that screw 22. You have 312 over there on the top. When you take it off, you have to have that special tool. Be careful if you haven't done that. So what you're gonna do, it's gonna go here like that, attached to the springs like that with the tab, and both sides equal. And then you have to use it with the gun, air gun or electric gun, to tighten the bolt. The tighter you get, the more compression is gonna force the spring to go down. When the spring go down enough, then you can take off the upper bolt and disassemble everything and take off the spring. Then you're gonna install the bottom piece on the top and put back everything together. Again, I don't think that's the DIY job. It's not a good idea if you don't have experience. Even if you get the tool, it's kind of dangerous. I mean, you have to have that job done before. So basically, when we go to the back, take the wheel off, and right here, then again you have to take the shock from here, use the 17mm off, and when you take that off, possibly put the jack, transmission jack, take this bolt off right here, and this one off right here. And then, as my finger pointed, the sway bar link over there. Then this side is gonna come down all the way, the differential. Don't do it on that both sides. When it comes down enough, it's gonna give you enough room to take off the spring, and you're gonna put the spacer on the bottom of the spring side. When you do that, then jack up the differential. So if you can raise it up enough to be able to put back the screws and everything. So that was the very short summary about this lift kit. We have a different kind of lift kits in the market, but again, this is how it works for the lift kit that the customer brought it to me. But some of them are different. This is how it looks like. This is the spacer goes under the front spring, and this was the one going under the rear spring, I mean. So basically, that was again a short video about that Toyota Tacoma lift kit right here. And again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you can get the free information, free share of experience, and don't hesitate to give me a call if you have any question or concerns. I'm so happy to help. Thank you guys, and see you next time.